Hello and welcome to your next car video of the BMW 320 automatic in the lovely 3-stage pearl white colour. Okay, it's a one owner car, full service history. As you can see, it's in the lovely white with the black YNC grills, 19-inch genuine BMW alloys with new tyres. Just to give you a close-up of them. It's just recently had new brake discs, YNC black styling pack, black decals, privacy glass. It's got the lovely back spoiler, parking sensors, as well as a reverse camera. Just show you how clean the car is, go close up to it. It's done just over 80,000 miles, but looking at the paintwork, it looks like it's done, 25,000 miles. Bonnet, no chips, front bumper's very tidy. Side of the vehicle's very good. Okay, coming onto the inside now. The auto gearbox. Multi-function steering wheel, satellite navigation. Okay. I'm just going to show you all the service history on the iDrive. Okay, so that's full BMW service history. The next oil service is due in 13,000 miles. Rear brakes 37,000. Front brakes 50,000. It's got all the multi-function steering wheel. It's got the lovely mood lighting. Not sure if you can just get a glance of it. Just through there. Looks really nice when it's dark. All important reverse camera. Just show you the interior, very nice. Back seats very tidy. Okay, this car is, the road tax is £30 for the full year. Yet physically in stock, we have 150 BMWs ready to drive away. Hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.